Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this half up half down quick weave, so stay tuned. So we're gonna jump straight into this hair tutorial. Her hair was washed and blow dried, so I'm gonna go ahead and part it out. We're gonna do a parting from ear to ear. And then I'm gonna put away the top portion and start working with the back. So for the back, I will be doing a small anchor braid going around the back of her head, well, this back section, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do some bigger braids in the middle. So this is how the back of her hair is looking. We just did some jumbo braids, guys. But I will be using my Wrap It Up strips by the brand Red. And I am just covering the braids at the back. And then I'll be using the stocking cap to put over it. So this allows for the glue not to seep through onto her hair. So I'm going in with my needle and thread. I'm using a blonde thread so she knows where to cut when she's ready to take this out. But I'm just using my needle and thread and I am sewing around on that perimeter braid that I did. So now that I've sewed around the perimeter, I just brought back the wig cap and I'm just cutting off that extra wrap strips that you've seen that she was holding at the front. So you want to make sure that's all cut so you can see everything perfectly. And then I went ahead and cut the extra piece of the wig cap. So this is the foundation. I'm just using my spritz and I'm just spraying that whole section with the spritz, using my blow dryer to dry it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing the tracks. So the hair that I'm using was from the beauty supply store. So I have 3 packs, 2 packs of the black and 1 pack of the blonde. So what I'm doing is I'm just measuring the track where I want it to lay. I cut it, I apply my glue on the track, and then I put the track down onto her head. You want to press it down and blow dry it. I also do go in and add spritz as well, blow dry it again for extra security. And I did this for the entire portion of that back piece. So this is how the back portion is looking. It was nice and flat. I was loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and work with the top. So for this ponytail, it was like a bun, like a mid bun, and then we had like this part in the middle, and she had 2 strands like going to the back of her head. So I'm gonna work with the ponytail section first. We are doing like a no leave out method, so I went ahead, combed her hair over the track, and then put that portion into a ponytail. And once I've created that ponytail, I'm going in with my Got To Be Free spray, and I'm just spraying that all over and using my edge control brush to just brush it, make sure it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my blow dryer to dry it and make sure it just stays in place. What we didn't realize was how red her hair was, because her hair was dyed red previously. So with this black and the blonde, like, it was stressing me out, but it all came together. So guys, I know you're looking at it like, what are you doing? But trust me, it all came together. So once I've molded her ponytail, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the front. So I am making a middle part. And what I did to blend her hair was I added some of the tracks that we were using before, and I just glued pieces in. So as you can see, I made a part, I free sprayed that down, put it around her ears because it is going to tie behind the back of her neck. So I went in with the track and I just glued 2 pieces in on each side to help it blend better. So made it a bit darker because her hair was this reddish color, and then I just stiff sprayed it in place. So I'm just going over and over, making sure that this mold is nice and neat. So I'm using my free spray. I all went and put my flat iron over it just so it's just really nice and crisp. So what I'm doing now is I'm attaching the two ends of those pieces, as you can see, underneath the weave, and I'm using a band to tie it right at the back of her head. That's basically what I was explaining to you guys before that I was gonna do. So I'm just tying it together and it's just going to stay in place right there. So this is how it is looking so far. And now we're gonna go ahead and do her ponytail. So I just went ahead and braided it because I will be doing it like an extended ponytail. So I braided it, put a band at the end, and then I'm using that same red strip to cover the braid. That way I can glue on top of it. So I just wrapped that strip around. And because there was so much of the strip, I ended up ripping some of it off. And then I just used a rubber band to hold it in place. So this is how it is looking. So now to make my job a lot easier, instead of putting the glue on the track, I just went ahead and put the glue right along her braid, but on the wrap, and used the hair and just wrapped it around. It made it so much easier, guys. So instead of putting the glue on the track, I would definitely suggest putting the glue on the wrap and then just wrapping the hair around it. So of course, with any ponytail I do, I am just taking a piece from the back just to make the wrap so that the track does not show. I also did find that the piece at the front wasn't laying flat enough, so I went ahead and just free sprayed that some more and dried it so that it laid down better. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do her little bun. So I'm just wrapping the hair around, and then I'm going to use a band to hold it in place. She did want that style where some of the hair like laid on top of the bun, and Some of it I just thought it was a bit too long, so I went in with my scissors and just trimmed it a little bit. Now I'm just going in with my ebon edge control and I am just doing her baby hairs. So guys, this is how the hairstyle is looking. I just went in with my gloss spray, sprayed that all over. I just love the gloss spray, guys. So yeah, this is how it is looking. Super cute. Definitely different. This is one of the trending hairstyles you see everybody doing. Went in with my oil sheen as well for that finishing touch, and yeah, that is it. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I'm just starting to do these quick weaves, guys, and I don't really find them that quick. This is the second one that I've done, but let me know how you guys feel about the quick weave. We need to have a discussion down below in that comment section, because I don't know, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This is a really cute half up, half down. If you haven't tried it before, make sure you go ahead and try it. Let me know how it goes as well. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.